Running to me means health, more than just physical health. It's a connection to my mental and spiritual health. My name is Jasha Lyons Echohawk. I am Seminole, Pawnee, Creek, Omaha, and Iowa, and I live in the Pawnee community. It gives me an opportunity to reconnect with Creator. It gives me an opportunity to get balance and be able to focus in all the things that I do. To get out and be active is definitely good for my spirit as well as my heart. I recognize part of this is sacrifice. I'm sacrificing time away from my family, but also sacrifice on my body. But I think that's necessary to achieve the health that I need, to achieve whatever Creator has in store after I get finished with my run.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Dynamiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa JB, talk. Torigun.
Follow along as we show you how to make green beans and wild rice. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, half a cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of cooked wild rice, 1 can of no salt added green beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of no salt added diced tomatoes. Start by chopping the onion. Next, in a large skillet, heat the oil over medium-high heat. Add onions and cook until light brown. Add the wild rice, green beans, and tomatoes. Stir to combine. The Otoe word for green beans is Otoe-Missouria. Green beans were brought to North America by trade by tribes migrating from South America, and they've been grown for years in the southern United States. Green beans may also be called string beans or snap beans. Cook until thoroughly heated, about 5 minutes, and serve warm. You can also change it up. Use fresh green beans and tomatoes when in season. Petite cut, stewed, or crushed tomatoes can also be used instead of diced tomatoes. This recipe makes 7 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!